Logical fallacies are just fallacies of logic. This basically means, you know, like, your argument is invalid, and therefore it can't even count as an argument.
Badaboom.
So, the first logical fallacy is the straw man. You're kind of misrepresenting somebody's argument just so that you can make it easier to attack.
So you broke into a bank.
Correct. I walked into a bank.
Texas sharpshooter. Which is to where you take, like, some of your evidence and you're like, well, look, these support my claim, these don't, so I'm just gonna kind of shove those away.
Okay, never mind the fact that there's salad in my teeth. I don't even eat salad.
Ambiguity. I'm just gonna be really ambiguous about what I'm saying so that you guys don't really understand what I'm saying.
So, the bathroom was stinky after me and other people went in there.
The next one is the genetic fallacy. So this person came from here. They're probably just like everything else over here.
Oh, she's from that state, therefore she's gotta be dumb.
This one's the worst, when people say black or white. There's a gray area between black and white, and a lot of times the answer is in that gray area.
Either you're a fast food eater, or you're not.
And then there's the middle ground fallacy. There's black, white, but there's also gray, and gray is the answer.
I don't like it when I smile, or when I frown. Therefore, I'm just always gonna have to be neutral.
It's so much fluctuation, man. Next is slippery slope. If we allow this to happen, then this is going to happen.
If you allow dogs to have human food, then eventually dogs will rule the world.
The next one is called the gambler's fallacy. Saying, you know what, I have lost so much that I have to win eventually, but in reality, they still have the same chances that they did when they started. Appeal to authority. This is the expert's opinion, so therefore it's the fact.
Well, my doctor said that garlic is not an antibiotic, therefore it cannot be an antibiotic.
The next one is called false cause. Is it a correlation or causation?
I ate chocolate cake, and then I gained 5 pounds. It must have been the chocolate cake. 1 pound equals 3,000 calories.
This one will make you angry when someone does it. It's called ad hominem. And that is when somebody attacks you personally as opposed to your argument.
You once went to jail. How do we know we can trust you?
Loaded questions where you ask somebody something and it's got like an assumption put into it, and so you can't answer it without looking guilty.
So you're trying to claim that you did not eat my s'mores. Didn't you once say that you would do anything for a s'more?
This one is laughable if someone tries to use its bandwagoning. Well, you know, everybody's doing it, therefore it's probably the right thing to do.
No, she's okay to bully, because, like, everybody at school bullies her, so I can bully her too.
Begging the question. A circular argument where, you know, the conclusion is basically in the premise, just sort of like, what are you trying to do, man?
Did you not go to my house the night you went to my house?
Composition division fallacy.
That carrot tasted sweet, therefore they all must be sweet.
Appeal to emotion. Remember, emotion is the enemy of the logic.
Doesn't it make you want to cry when you think about her being in jail?
It's where you, like, ask somebody, like, you criticize them, and then they respond with a criticism.
You did not obey the 5-second rule.
Well, you never counted to 5.
Okay, this one is the burden of proof. It's not up to me to prove my claim. It's up to you to disprove it.
I shower every day. You want to try and prove me wrong?
No true Scotsman. Saying, oh, this person has never done anything bad in the past, therefore, they didn't do anything wrong now.
She's a golden retriever. They wouldn't start the fight, they don't even bite.
You guys might not like it, I don't know if I do, but, you know, appealing to nature. So saying, you know, this is natural, therefore it's better.
I like to go with all natural products because they're better for your hair. Not necessarily.
The fallacy. Oh, one of the arguments that you used to back up your claim was wrong, therefore your claim is wrong. Personal incredulity. Just because somebody finds something difficult to understand, it must not be true.
You say the universe goes on forever. That's not possible for it to go on forever. I can't even wrap my mind around that, because how do you wrap your mind around something that never ends?
Anecdotal is where you use your personal experience to dismiss something like statistics.
You say all these people watch TV, eh? Well, I've never watched TV.